Tired of boring maps for your travel vlog? Try out Filmora's new pen tool animation and make your travel map pop. Not only your map. Make amazing text and animations with the pen tool. Want to know more about it? Keep watching. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that you will never miss any of my upcoming Filmora 15 videos. Let's see how to use the pen tool in easy steps. Step 1. Launch Filmora and click on Import and select the map that you want to use for animation. Then drag and drop it onto the timeline and adjust the map scale and position accordingly. Step 2. Select your footage on the timeline and from the timeline toolbar, select the drawing tool and you will get to the amazing pen tool in the drop-down list. Select the pen tool. Step 3. Click on the preview screen at the start point of the animation, then keep creating the travel path. Even by holding and dragging the mouse, you can create a smooth curve line. Continue creating your path, and then, at the last point, press the ESC key to exit the pen tool. Step 4. From the shape settings, you can adjust the path scale, position, and rotation, or you can even flip the path. Then, if you are working on a shape, enable the fill option to create a shape. Then, from stroke, you can choose the line color, or you can change the line color, plus you can choose between different presets like arc, neon, flux, fire, and so on. Select the one, then from settings you can adjust the radius, zoom start and end, you can give a feather to it, or you can adjust the intensity. Or if you wish to, you can change the color of the neon line. Step 5. With the trim path, you can make the path animation using keyframes, set end to 0, and on the keyframe, then at the end, set the end to 100+. You can use the path follow option to add images to your path, or you can use Filmora presets. Now let's see the animation. That easy to create a path animation in Filmora 15 using the pen tool. Download Filmora 15 now and make your travel map amazing with the pen tool. See you in the next video.